Hey there, my name is Sandeep. Welcome to my channel. If you're into AI, LLMs, and local deployments, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to run DeepSeek, one of the most powerful open source AI models, locally on your Windows machine using Ollama. By the end of this video, you will have DeepSeek running on your PC and you will be able to interact with it without relying and sending your sensitive data to the cloud services. So let's deep dive in. Before we get started, let's quickly understand what DeepSeek is. DeepSeek is an advanced open source large language model LLM designed for efficiency and accuracy. It's comparable to models like Llama, Claude 3.5, GPT-4o, and Mistral. It's optimized for many tasks, including coding, reasoning, and general AI interactions. Let me share a few interesting facts. DeepSeek launched in late 2023, and the latest DeepSeek R1 model come out in January 2025. Within just a week time, the DeepSeek chatbot took ChatGPT as the most downloaded free app both on iOS and Android. DeepSeek was trained on 6 trillion tokens, mainly from GitHub, Stack Overflow, and other technical sources. This makes it highly optimized for coding and natural language tasks. This focus makes it powerful tool for developers and AI enthusiasts. Why there is so much of hype around DeepSeek? It comes from its impressive performance benchmarks compared to other best models while being completely free. So why run it locally? Because number one is privacy and security. No cloud dependencies. So your data stays on your machine, on your server. So next thing is speed because no latency issues from API calls from the cloud providers. So there is also cost effectiveness because no need to pay for the API access. Now let's set it up. Before we install DeepSeek, make sure you have Windows 10 or 11 64-bit one, at least 16 GB RAM and 20 GB free storage. For advanced models, you might want to have a better compatible GPU, NVIDIA recommended with CUDA support, but this is not a strict requirement just for a simple task as we are going to do it right now. A Powershell or terminal is required, and you need to have Ollama installed. What is Ollama? Ollama is the tool that makes running AI models locally. It's super easy to set up. A decent internet connection to download the model. That's all you need. If you have not installed Ollama yet, let's do it now. Let's now head over to ollama.com and click on download. And you should see these three options, Mac OS and Linux and Windows. Since I'm doing it for Windows, I'm going to choose Windows and click on download. This is the installer window. Just click on install and complete all the prompts to finish the installation. Okay, I'm done with my installation. So how do I know? If you come here, you can see the Ollama process is running. And let me head over to the PowerShell window and type Ollama version. As you can see, I have 153 installed. So that means Ollama is correctly installed and ready to go. Okay, let's now head over to the model section in the Ollama website. And as you can see, there are a lot of open source models and there are a lot of popular of them. And you can sort them by newest. And if I go into DeepSeek R1, you can see a specific model with the, these many billion of parameters. For example, 7 billion parameters, which takes 4.7 gigabytes of memory. And the topmost model, which is a production grade, is taking 404 gigabytes of memory, which is 671 billion parameters. This is the model you can see when you use DeepSeek chart. and you can see the comparison of DeepSeek R1 with the OpenAI O1 model. Okay, now we'll pull a specific model into our local. So let's now head over to this drop down right here and select the lowest one, 1.5B, and you can see the command here. But first we need to pull this particular model into our local. So let's go back to our PowerShell and type Ollama pull and enter. Now you can see it is downloading the model. Okay, model download is complete and it is successful. And depending on your network speed, it may take a little while, but it just took a minute for me since it is a starter model. And now let's head over to the website one more time and copy this command, come back, paste it, just run it. Now this will start the interactive chat session where you can ask any question to DeepSeek, and it is all local. Okay, so let's just ask, write a hello world program in Python. So this is the think reasoning that you can see in the even in the chart, and it does the thinking for reasoning before the output. So as you can see here is the program it wrote, the hello world function and print hello world. So yeah, I think it reasonably done well, being a basic model. And let's ask a different question. Capital city of India. Sometimes I feel the reasoning is going out of the context, but I think it got the answer. That's good. Let's say you want to integrate DeepSeek into your project. Here is the PowerShell command to make the web request. Right. If you are on Mac, you can use curl command instead. And as you can see, it just took, I think, 14 seconds of evaluation time, prompt duration, and 9 seconds of evaluation duration. And there is a 15 tokens of output and 8 tokens for the prompt. Yeah, as you can see, this is a power in. If you are a developer, you can use it with Python or any other tech stack. And that's it. You now have DeepSeek locally running on your Windows using Ollama. If you find this helpful, please like and share and subscribe for more AI and tech content. If you have any thoughts, questions, or run into any issues, drop me a comment. I would love to help. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.